Today, I'm going to show you 6 simple and reliable ways to log into your WordPress admin dashboard, even if you've lost track of the usual login link or you're managing several WordPress sites. By the end of this video, you'll know every handy trick for accessing your site's admin area with confidence, no matter where you are or how your site is set up. Ready to dive in? Let's get you logged in. The most common way to access your WordPress dashboard is by adding */wp-admin to your site's URL. So just type in your website address, then tack on /wp-admin* at the end, like this. Then hit enter. This brings you straight to the login screen, and after you enter your username and password, you'll land right in your admin area. Most WordPress sites use this method, so if you're not sure where to start, always try this first. It's like the front door to your site's control panel. Now, sometimes, depending on your theme or how your hosting is set up, your site may not display anything when you try */wp-admin***. If that happens, don't worry, there's a backup method. This time add **/wp-login php instead, so it looks like your domain com/wp-login php. This address leads directly to the login form itself. Think of it as a secret side entrance. It works even when the main admin door seems locked or hidden. If your site is hosted on WordPress.com rather than self-hosted with your own domain, there's a slightly different routine. Head over to https://wordpress.com/login. From there, you can log in with your WordPress.com account, and all the sites you manage will show up in one dashboard. This is especially convenient when juggling multiple sites or collaborating with a team, because everything is managed in one place. Let's look at a couple of other quick tricks. If you're already browsing your website while logged in, you'll often find a login or login link in your site's navigation menu or right down in the footer. Site builders often include this for admins or contributors to find the dashboard easily. So next time you're on your homepage and wondering how to get back to your dashboard, just scan for this link. No need to type in URLs. Now, for some users, logging in can be even simpler if your hosting provider supports one-click logins. Many popular hosts like Hostinger with its H-panel let you access your WordPress dashboard straight from their control panel. Just log into your hosting account, find your website section, and look for something like WordPress admin or go to dashboard. With one click, you're in, no passwords required at this step. This is a huge time saver, especially if you're troubleshooting or managing several sites at once. Finally, here's a tip I recommend to everyone. Once you find your login page, bookmark it in your browser or create a desktop shortcut. This way, next time, you don't have to remember any URLs or click around for login links. You'll just click your shortcut and go straight to the login screen. It's like putting a sticky note on your monitor for easy access. Alright, you've now got 6 reliable ways to access your WordPress admin dashboard, whether you're working from your main computer or jumping in from your phone while on the go. If at any point you run into trouble, just take a deep breath and try each of these steps. In most cases, one of them will get you inside. If you found this helpful, please give the video a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or run into any snags, drop a comment below. I'm always here to help. Don't forget to subscribe for more WordPress tips, tricks, and tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy site managing.